What are you guys doing?
We're making pumpkin pie.
Oh. Baron, what are you doing?
We're mixing.
You're mixing? You're not stirring? Are you mixing?
It's starting mixing.
Okay, we're ready to put it in.
Okay.
We're ready to put
Baron, don't trip it.
Watch out.
Are you ready to put it in the dough? Why is the dough right there?
Pedro, don't touch that. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Baron, feet off the counter, honey.
There you go.
Ooh.
What are you doing? What's going on?
Look at it. Yeah. Yay! Pie.
What
Look
do we
it.
do? Yay! I see it, I see it.
Who made it? Who made the pie?
Who made the pie?
You.
You.
Me.
Me.
You.
Did you help?
I did it.
Who stirred it?
Me.
Who else?
Me.
You. High five. Each other. High five each other.
Don't touch that pie, Pedro, because it's wet.
Okay.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
If I'm for stirring.
Okay,
Say
everyone go
say
sit down and
goodbye.
see me. You're gonna have to bake it.
Blow kisses. I love you.
I love you. I just. Bye bye.